Mga nanay, good morning, good afternoon, good day. We are fasting with meat. That's why nanay trying to cook the healthy meal recipe. This is a mongo beans mixed with broiled boneless milk fish and cooked with ginger and tomatoes mixed with giant spinach. I call giant spinach because they are look at the steam. They're giant. So this is yummy. And I mix also with broiled boneless bangos. I didn't fry. So this time I will try my best for fasting for meat because it's Holy Weeks is very close. So we are trying to not to eat meat. You can eat meat if you want, but for me, I am trying my best. Okay? Never judge. Don't judge. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless you. Tomorrow is the Ash Wednesday, so try our best to go to church to for the ashes to wash our sins. That's what I understand. Yes, thank you so much, Lord. This is a yummy and healthy. Thank you na mga nanay, mga mother, tatay, childrens that eat vegetable childrens, not always cheap or instant. This is yummy. See? Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye now.